friends, today I am going to show how to download apps from Google Play Store. For that, you need an Android smartphone, a Google based Android smartphone. First, you want Play Store app in your smartphone. Open the Play Store. Then you need to sign your Play Store account. I have already signed my Play Store account. Play Store account means Gmail account or YouTube account. That is a Google account. That means Google account. Then click here. Then type the name. I want WhatsApp or IMO. I want here IMO, and then click on IMO. Here IMO free video calls and chats. Click on install, accept. Now the phone is downloading. After finishing the downloading, it will install the IMO app in your smartphone. Now IMO app is installing. It may take some time for finishing the installation. It is now installing the app. You need to wait some time. Yes, it's finished the installation. Then you look to your home screen. Here IMO is installed. I think this video helped you. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.